Text boxes allow you to segment information in your document and lay it out differently. You can easily resize these boxes by following the simple instructions in this quick tip. Text boxes, regardless of what they contain, can be easily sized in Word. Let's say that your document has a text box similar to what you see on the screen. You'll notice the text box at the right-hand side, and it contains some text. To change the size of the text box, all you have to do is click once on the information within the text box. Notice that Word displays a series of handles around the outside of the text box. In order to resize, all you have to do is position the mouse pointer over one of these, and you can see that it changes into an arrow that indicates how you can click and drag that handle to resize the text box. In this case, I'm going to just click and drag it over a little bit here, and you can see that it's quite a bit smaller now. And I can also drag a different one if I want to, and we'll bring this one up just a little bit. And you can see that our text box is now a completely different size than it was just a few moments ago. Now notice that the information within the text box is reformatted to fit within the new size. If you want to also resize that information, in other words, change the size of that text in there, then you'll need to select that text and use the tools that are on the Home tab of the ribbon to adjust the font size for the text so that it reflects what you want it to look like. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.